Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, my mission and task is to actually fix the hinge holders of a Lenovo laptop. As we know that sometimes you might drop your laptop and then nothing else breaks but the hinge holders, which can be quite irritating because now it's going to be a problem to open and close your laptop, because every time you open it and close it with those broken hinges, it gets more damaged. So here's the laptop and here are the hinges. My task today is actually to compromise and use hard plastic as adhesive to actually fix these broken hinge holders so that your laptop can be intact. I'm going to use hard plastic. As you can see here, this is me compromising, and then actually taking these screw holders and then melting this again and then actually inserting them inside and then let it dry. After it has dried, and then I'm going to screw the hinge screws on so that it can hold intact. So without wasting any time, let me get on with my task. This is actually a short video just to show you how you can compromise fixing your hinge holders if they're broken. Remember, follow my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Tech LM Pty Ltd. Follow me on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Twitter. And yes, I'll be posting more videos. This is actually my first video, but I'll be posting more videos on my YouTube channel. Remember, Tech LM Pty Ltd is yours and your organization's solution to all your digital challenges and definite transformation. Have a problem with your laptop? Just give me a call and I'll be there to fix it. I will be showing you the end product after completing this laptop, and then you can rate me. Ciao.